Welcome to AYIS, where dreams, numbers, and inner wisdom meet. Dreams do not disturb us, they prepare us. Falling from a height in a dream often reflects insecurities and deep-rooted fears. It may also signal hard times, income loss, financial pressure, and emotional strain. If you jump from a height in your dream, this warns of losing status or prestige through wrong choices or wrong friendships. If you crash down from a height, the loss comes suddenly, often caused by deception or betrayal from someone close. If you climb high and then fall, a loss may follow success. This may reflect status, reputation, or possessions earned with struggle. Fearing during the fall reveals indecision before a new venture. Falling and becoming injured signals financial loss or psychological strain. Another meaning points to a serious obstacle, placing you in difficulty. If death appears in the dream, this reflects repentance and inner awakening. If you fall into the sea from a height, this signals sudden, unexpected changes. If someone you know falls, they may face major problems. If the person is unknown, the challenge turns toward you. Falling from a cliff signals forced change from unpleasant events. This change leaves long-lasting effects and heavy strain. It may affect health, possessions, or social standing. Being close to falling shows indecision that delays solutions. Problems remain unresolved when action is postponed. Being saved from the fall signals relief after long hardship. Falling from a cliff and dying signals the climax of difficult times. Like a phoenix, rebirth follows collapse. Being saved instead shows hardships first, order later. A time for resurrection. Falling from a cliff into the sea signals a problem disturbing inner peace. Short-term efforts may fail repeatedly. Long-term relief, however, is promised by this dream. Dear soul, this dream carries 3 numerical vibrations. They explain struggle now and relief later. These numbers are number 5, that represents shock of change. Number 7, inner trial. Number 8, restoration. Number 5, governs sudden change and instability. Falling into the sea activates this vibration. Problems arrive faster than solutions. Awareness, not force, is required. Number 7 begins when the world grows quiet. It rules inner struggle and spiritual testing. Withdrawal here is protection and not punishment. Stillness restores alignment. Number 8 governs recovery and restored balance. Relief arrives slowly but fully. What was unstable finds order again. Endurance is never wasted. Our affirmations are: I allow silence to teach me deeply. Wisdom forms when I stop rushing. Isolation becomes protection. Clarity is preparing. Dear friends, dear souls, don't forget, dreams do not punish, they prepare us. It is the awakening call of the spirit. Stay with AYIS.